Your body is trying to tell you something, but are you ignoring the signs? It starts with a little bloating, a missed bowel movement. And before you know it, your entire system is screaming for help. Constipation isn't just uncomfortable, it could be a silent warning of something much deeper. Today, we'll uncover what's really happening inside your gut and how to fix it naturally. What exactly is constipation? Most people think constipation is just about not going, but it's more than that. Medically, it means fewer than 3 bowel movements a week. Hard, dry, painful stools, feeling like you didn't fully empty. It slows down your gut, traps toxins inside, and impacts your mood, skin, and energy. Symptoms you shouldn't ignore. Think you're fine? These are signs your digestive system is struggling. Constant bloating, hard or pellet-like stool. Straining for over 5 minutes, bad breath or coated tongue. Headaches and fatigue, loss of appetite, feeling irritable or anxious. Yes, even your brain and mood are affected. That's how connected your gut is. What's really causing it? It's not just food. Your entire lifestyle may be clogging up your system. Top causes: low fiber diet, processed food, no roughage, dehydration, not enough water equals dry stool. Medications, painkillers, iron, antacids. Sedentary life, no movement, no gut movement. Stress, anxiety slows gut signals. Holding it in damages your natural rhythm. The Natural Constipation Cure Toolkit. You don't need expensive medicine, you need the right habits. Let's build your constipation fighting toolkit. Fiber, rich foods, leafy greens, flax seeds, oats, berries. Aim: 25 to 30 grams daily. Stay hydrated. Start your day with warm lemon water. Drink 2.5 to 3 L per day. Move your body, walking, yoga, stretching daily. Train your gut, set a bathroom schedule after meals. Home remedies that work. Prunes or soaked raisins, psyllium husk, aloe vera juice, trifala powder. Stop doing these 4 things right now. Sometimes what you avoid matters more than what you eat. Overusing laxatives, skipping meals, ignoring the urge. Excess caffeine and alcohol. Your gut needs respect, not shortcuts. When it's not just constipation. If constipation becomes frequent or painful, it's time to speak to a doctor. May indicate IBS, thyroid issues. Colon polyps, blockages, or nerve issues. Bonus tips to keep your gut happy. And here are 3 bonus tips for long-term gut health. Relax your mind. Try meditation or deep breathing. Wake up earlier. Gives your body time for a proper routine.
Drop it in the comments. Your advice might save someone's day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BeFitest for real health tips every week. Turn on the bell so your gut never misses a beat. Healthy digestion isn't just about your stomach. It's the root of total wellness. Start treating your gut like the hero it truly is. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean gut is a happy life.